In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in VN Video Editor. If you've ever filmed handheld footage, you know how frustrating it can be when a great moment is ruined by unwanted camera shake. The good news is that VN Video Editor has a built-in stabilization feature that can smooth out that motion and make your clips look much more professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently stabilize any shaky clip in your project. First, open the VN Video Editor app on your device and create a new project, or open an existing one where your shaky footage is already imported. Once your timeline is visible, find the specific clip that looks shaky and tap to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the timeline and the editing options appear at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device. With the clip selected, look for the Options or Tools panel and locate the stabilization feature. In VN, this is usually labeled clearly as stabilization or something very similar. Tap this option to open the stabilization controls for your clip. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling through the tools, because it can sometimes be slightly hidden among other effects and adjustments. After you open the stabilization tool, you'll often see a toggle or switch that lets you turn stabilization on or off for that specific clip. Go ahead and enable it. As soon as you turn it on, VN may start analyzing your footage in the background. This process can take a few moments, especially with longer or higher resolution clips, so be patient and avoid tapping around too much while it works. Some versions of VN also give you a strength or intensity slider for stabilization. If that's available, start with a moderate value rather than going straight to the maximum. Strong stabilization can sometimes introduce small warping or cropping, so it's better to increase it gradually. Make a small adjustment, then play back the clip to see how it looks. If the video still feels too shaky, slowly raise the strength until you find a balance between smoothness and natural-looking motion. When the stabilization is applied, always watch your clip from the beginning to the end. Pay attention to the edges of the frame and any straight lines, like walls or horizons, to make sure nothing looks distorted. If you notice any strange bending or zooming, simply lower the stabilization strength a bit and preview again. Once you're happy with the result, your changes are automatically applied to that clip in the timeline. From here, you can continue editing your project as usual, adding cuts, music, text, or other effects without losing the stabilization you just set up. And that's all you need to do to stabilize video in VN Video Editor. With just a few quick adjustments, you can turn shaky handheld footage into smooth, watchable clips that feel far more polished and professional.